Hi, it's Joshua from 10 Locksmiths here. So what we're looking at here is what I've done is I pulled out the old fuse board and I've replaced all of my circuits with RCBOs. So if you just have a look there, look, I'm not finished. It's a bit messy. What you can see there, like that's not live. So don't be panicky about that. But basically, we've got our main breaker coming into an RCBO, and from there we're breaking out to the other circuits that are in the house. Now, before we had bedroom 1 and bedroom 2 all on one circuit, and then we had a mixed circuit for the garage, which was light and GPO power. The point of this video is what I've done with my hot water heater to actually save a whole lot of money. First of all, I wanted to upgrade this so that my neutral was protected. You can buy RCBOs, like this one here is the light circuit, I believe. That is a 10 amp. You can see that it says C10. So all of my light circuit is protected, active and neutral. But more to the point here is what I've done here is I put another RCBO. This is actually a second-hand one that I pulled off a job site, and there was nothing wrong with it. It just didn't comply to the commercial premises. What I've done here is I put a timer on here. Now I've run a 50 litre hot water heater system, which is right down there. And what I found is that the thermostat was cutting in and out all the time. Now, I did turn that hot water heater down to the lowest possible setting, but still provide a decent shower. So what I did is I decided, well, I'm replacing everything. So what I've done is I put an RCBO there and I put a timer there. Now, this is a 40 amp, 240 volt timer, which the relay has been upgraded, which does have the good brand relay in it, and the circuit board also has, if you look at the circuit board, you can see it can quite easily handle 40 amps. I bought that from a place in Brisbane. They've imported it and they've had it made for 40 amps. If you use Ohm's law, you can calculate your wattage, your voltage, and realize how many amps your hot water system is actually pulling. So it was overkill. So it's always better to switch a relay and have that relay. So basically what we've done here is we've got our active and neutral going in, and we're switching, active and neutral to power the timer. And then underneath here, we're switching our active and switching our active just there. Sorry, I made a mistake in what I was saying. Just wasn't thinking. So this is programmed for 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes at night. I think I set it to about 6 o'clock, whatever. It's got multiple functions of timing. From your day, you can break it right down to the minute. It's a fantastic timer. This has saved me a whole lot of money on electricity. My bill's now down to my last one was $116. I've got my fridge, I've got some equipment that's on 24/7, but this has actually saved me by the hot water heater per month. I kind of roughly have to guess it, but between about $40 and $60. More accurately, I'm putting an amp clamp on there, blah, 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 see how much it's drawing. But look, that's a way that you can save a whole lot of electricity. Get your Sparky to come and change everything to RCBOs, which is protecting your neutral, instead of just having an RCD, which is a dead short between active and neutral, and you get a big bang from that. So I got a 24 module case here. I'm going to clean up all of this. I just put this together. This took me about an hour and a half to rip out the old box and wire all this up. Now, I don't think, I'm not recommending that anybody who doesn't have the skills, even a handyman, just get an electrician to come and do it. I've had over a decade of wiring. I have a very good understanding of this, and I also employed an electrician for multiple years as well. So I had the capability. I had to get this up and running. I basically got the box, got the RCBOs, and I threw it together because I wanted to get it done, and the light was going. A little bit messy, but I've seen electricians do a whole lot worse than what this is, and this is not the way it's going to stay. So basically I had to block, I cut out my gyprock, pulled everything out, and just rewired that. So, you know, I've got my earth linkage there, I've got my neutral linkage there, and yeah, so that's what I've done. It's only a small place, and this has saved me a whole lot of money already, you know. All right, cheers. Thanks for watching.